I'm Elise Wendon. I have a background in agricultural ecology. I love soil biology and I work with little tiny microorganisms in the soil around the root zone and also in the plants and in the crops that we grow on the farm. Having grown up in the city and gone to school in the city, but still having a real sense of needing to be in agriculture or needing to be in a rural space, because of my love of biology and my love of natural things and the environment, I thought that agriculture would be a great career path. It's really turned out to be something quite special that I think I was really born to do. You should follow that if you can. When I finished studying, I did as many jobs and as many different jobs in different areas of agriculture that I could to develop my technical skills, but also to develop, speaking skills and all the rest of the things that go along with your career. My advice to young people: think about what you want to do and think about the options in getting there. There's always more than one option. Align yourself with people who can support you. So, just experience as much as you can in order to be able to develop your skills and have that professional support that's behind those skills.